How to show labels side by side in Excel pivot table. So guys, if you're seeing your labels stack in a single column like a nested list, it's because your Excel defaults to compact form. So on your Microsoft 365 desktop setup, we want to switch to tabular form to get that clean side by side professional look. Once again, by default, when you add multiple fields to your pivot table rows, for example like category or product name, Excel just stacks them on top of each other in a single column. It will be a compact form, and while it does save space, it's terrible for data analysis or copying onto other reports. So I will show you how to move your table side by side into a clean tabular layout in under 3 minutes. Alright guys, so the first step, you need to click anywhere inside your pivot table, just anywhere, to wake up the top ribbon. Then you go to the Design tab at the far right of your menu, which is going to be right over here. Click on that. Right, and look for the Layout group on the left and click Report Layout. Right over here. And then just select Show in Tabular Form. There you go. Okay, and immediately Excel breaks those stacked items into separate, dedicated columns. Now your category is in column A and your product name is in column B, side by side where they belong. Alright, and now that they indeed are side by side, you might notice some white space under your main categories. So to make this a true database ready table, you need to go back to Report Layout in the Design tab. Okay, so you go here and then you click on Repeat All Item Labels. There you go. And now every row is fully populated, which is perfect if you plan on using these results for example, via lookups or advanced filtering later. So it turns your summary into a structured dataset. So side-by-side labels make your reports easier to read and easier to move. It's a 10-second change that completely transforms your pivot table's utility. If this layout hack helped you today, hit that like button. See you in the next video.